Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Daily Damanda 7. Today I'm going to show you how to solve internet is not working on your Windows laptop. Okay, so what will happen that sometime in other device like in other mobiles, yeah, in other laptop everything is seems fine. Okay, but in your case in some of the laptop it won't be working. Okay, so what we can do is it's very easy. Also I'll show you just one step and that will 100% work every time. Okay, so click on the Wi-Fi icon, network setting. Okay, click on your connected Wi-Fi. Okay, just scroll it down and there will be a two section, one IP assignment and one DNS server assignment. Okay, if you want to change IP also, okay, just make it manual first. Okay, click on IP version 4 and there will be the IP. Let's suppose I am given 1.192.168.0. Let's suppose if one of the device has 101 IP. Okay, I'm just giving you the example. You just make sure that you are giving different IP. Let's suppose 110. Okay, and the subnet mask, there will be always in ISP. Your ISP will always provide you your subnet mask. Okay, and gateway, let's suppose I have a gateway of 192.68.0.1. okay, and this section is very important. So there are few free DNS in Google if you search. Yes, so like a Cloudflare also. Cloudflare is there, one of the free DNS. Yeah, and there is a very fast DNS which is very popular also, that is Google One. So we always use Google One, which is primary DNS will be 8.8.8.8. okay, and there will be another section will be alternate, means secondary. If this first DNS, primary DNS is not connecting, mean it will automatically connect to the next DNS. Okay, that is 8.8.4.4. so if you do this much, that will 100% solve your problem. Okay, no, if you say that no, I don't want to change any IP. Okay, so means you can just do the go to this second section, which is DNS server assignment. Just do this much, make it manual. Okay, just click on IP version 4, just change the DNS only. Before it was catching DHCP, mean dynamic automatically. Okay, dynamic. So we are just changing to dynamic to static, means in a manual way, means it will pick this DNS, it will connect to this DNS. Okay, so this is called manual way. Okay, so means in this case you are giving your own preference DNS. So I'm giving Google One. Okay, Google is always fast and very easy and free also. Okay, this is the free DNS and it is very fast also. So you can just do this much only changes only. Okay, you can do this much changes, like just change the DNS part only. It will 100% work, definitely it will work. Okay, and if you stuck somewhere, just comment me in the section. Okay, and I'll come up with the solution. This much for today. Please do subscribe, share and like my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification related to new videos. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Stay safe, Sat Sri Akal ji, and have a nice day. Bye bye.